What a great car, just arrived in, direct off the last owner. Fiat 500L trekking Twinair. Finishing Bosso over white. It is a gorgeous car, very rare, superb specification, £1,850 worth of factory fitted options. A very spacious and very versatile car. It is gorgeous. Just two owners from new. Registered in May 2014 on a 14 plate. It's a car that we've looked after for the last owner for a number of years now. Lots of service history, lots of bills. Let's take you all the way around it. Rear parking sensors. Massive boot, really versatile vehicle. Nice low loading area. Boot liner in there. You've got the adjustable floor so you can put your little knickknacks under there, hide it out of the way. Split folding rear seats. So you can lower the floor down so just a little drops down there to give you that extra height if you've got anything a bit higher to carry. This car's also got a spare wheel. All the toolkit there complete. So it makes it very versatile. Or you can just put your little bits under there, hide them out of the way. Lots and lots of space. All the bodywork is in fabulous condition. No dents, no scratches, no little dings anywhere. We've just had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated, so they are totally unmarked. No damage to any of the wheels. As you can see down the bodywork, lovely and clean. And just coming again to the front near side wheel. Absolutely beautiful. All the bodywork across the front. As you can see, there's no major chips at all. Just the odd one or two, of course, which can be expected for the age and the mileage. And that's why we do the videos, to show you exactly how nice all our cars are. Nothing is left to chance. Full and accurate description. Full videos. Glass panoramic sunroof. Rear privacy glass, and just a final wheel again there. Got this beautiful contrasting trim, so you got black and white trim. Plenty of legroom in there. Just look at the space in there. Lots of storage all over the place. All the upholstery in fabulous condition. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells, and again the seats, you can slide them backwards and forwards, give you either extra space in the back or extra leg room. Seats just drop down. Very spacious. Again, all the driver's door trim in great condition, no damage to that. Electric windows, electric mirrors. This one's also got the electric lumbar support on both front seats. And of course, nice and airy inside with a glass roof. Gloss black dashboard. A mileage of 55,957. That's what it's done, 55,957. Incredible 105 brake horsepower and 900cc. Very lively little engine actually. Stereo CD, media input, Bluetooth phone connection, it's also got the city button for the power steering, which makes it very, very light and easy for parking. Literally a finger will turn that steering wheel when it's in the city mode. Great little feature. This one also has a dual control climate control. You've got the AUX media input into there, and also this one's got the heated front windscreen, which again was an option on the vehicle. Not many of these have that on, so great options. 6-speed manual gearbox, driver's armrest, leather multifunction steering wheel with various controls for stereo and Bluetooth on there, cruise control, great little car, and only £30 road tax. So £30 road tax. Combined miles per gallon according to Fiat is 55.3, and the glass sunroof makes it nice and airy. And of course, if you don't want too much sunshine on your head, click of a button and you've got a shade across it. So there we have it, our Fiat 500 tracking 2-owner car. Beautiful condition all round, with great options on the vehicle, ready to drive away today. We welcome part exchange, great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your low deposit, your low monthly payments, and apply direct off our website. Read about our raving fans reviews, just like this lady here who bought a car from us and is one of our raving fans, and see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars, based in Stoke on Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website, ensuring nobody else beats you to it. We can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for further details. Specialist Cars, based in Stoke on Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. We make buying and selling a simple, hassle-free process. Any further information, please give us a call. The phone number is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997. And our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.